Today I will be rating EAS alarms around the country, and I won't finish them all, but yeah, let's just get started with this video. 9 out of 10. If I was a baby, I would get scared. But yeah, I would get scared. 8 out of 10. Please, no more tornadoes. I'm scared of tornadoes. 11 out of 10. Imagine hearing this at 3 a.m. like I'm scared. Out of 10. It sounds like Mario Kart, but why? Australia, 10 out of 10. If there was a bushfire warning, I would seek shelter. 100 out of 10. No more tsunamis. I'm scared of tsunamis. 21 out of 10. This is worse than Siren Head, but it doesn't sound like Siren Head. Subscribe if you are scared of Siren Head. Please, I don't want to go to Brazil. Okay, that was me rating EAS alarms. Like and subscribe if you like this video. Bye!